y equal to what? Tan inverse. So y is equal to what? Tan inverse of what? X. This one is simple. What you have to do is you multiply both sides by what? By tan. So if you do so, you're going to get tan what? Y equal to what? Tan what? Times tan times what? Tan inverse of what? X. So this one is just like x times what? X inverse. And from the previous video, you could see that here any number times its what? Its inverse is 1. So this one, or a variable times its inverse is what? Is 1. So it's like 2 times what? 2 inverse, and it's equal to 1. So this whole thing is equal to 1. So we are going to get tan y equal to what? 1 times what? This, and the same as what? Tan y equal to what? X. So this one, we want to differentiate this, we want to find the y dx, but it's simple. If you check this one, it's simple. You can choose to bring x to the left hand side, or choose to send or turn y to the right hand side. So if you do so, or you can also leave it and differentiate what? This side and differentiate this side, and it's the same thing. But here, tan y is the same as what? Sin y over what? Cos what? Y. And I hope this one you've done it from what? From the previous video, that whenever you differentiate tan y, you're going to get what? Sec square y. So here, if you differentiate this one, you're going to get sec square what? Y. But because it is y, we attach it to what? By what? Dy dx, which is equal to, differentiate this side, you get 1. Then here, we are going to make what? Dy dx the subject. So if you make dy dx the subject from this side, you are going to get, it is just like divide both sides by sec square what? Y. So you're going to get dy dx equal to 1 over what? Sec square what? Y. Okay, so here simple. We are not interested in what? This y. So we have to do creativity, and the creativity is always what? We go to this one, sine square y plus cos square what? Y equal to 1. For this creativity, we divide both sides by what? Cos square y. So divide both sides by what? Cos square y. Cos square y. Cos square what? Y. Simple. This one you see here is the same as what? Sin y over what? Cos what? Y all squared plus what? This one, you could see that this one will cancel itself and will be 1. So here is 1. And here you have what? The same as what? Cos y all squared. The same as this. But this one, sin y over what? Cos y is what? Tan. So you're going to get tan y all squared plus what? 1 equal to what? This. Okay. So from this side, this whole thing you see here is the same as, this one is the same as tan square y plus 1 equal to what? This whole thing here is the same as 1 over what? Cos y all square, because 1 raised to the power any number is 1. So here, the one in the brackets, this one, the one in the brackets, is the same as what? Sec 1 over 1 over cos y is the same as what? Sec y is the same as sec y. So it means that in place of this whole thing, you can put what? Sec there. So here, we are going to get what? Tan square y plus 1 equal to what? Sec y all squared. And it is the same as what? Sec square y. Okay, so it means that here we go tan square y plus what? 1. But look at here, our sec square here. In place of sec square here, you can put in what? Tan square y plus 1 here. So if you do so, you're going to get dy dx equal to 1 over what? Tan square what? Tan square what? Y plus what? 1. But here, this one you can write as 1 over what? Tan y all square plus what? 1. But what is tan y? Tan y is equal to x. So in place of our tan y, we just will put in x. So we are going to get what? 1 over what? X square plus what? 1. And that's the answer for differentiating what? Tan inverse. First derivative. Thank you very much.